Okay, I'm back. I accidentally paused the video, so yeah. So we're gonna get our ingredients out. We got 1 package of Jiffy's pie crust, 1.5 cup of powdered sugar. We have that. Where is it? Our Great Value. I don't know what this is. Powdered sugar. Great Value powdered sugar. So, pretty sure I'm not going to even try to pronounce it. I'm going to get 1 egg. And I'm going to teach you guys how to do it yourself, just like how our channel name is. This is like 1 perfectly round egg, so I'm not going to use that one. Never using that one. We're using this one. Because looks good. No cracks, no nothing. Put that down right there. Two teaspoons of sour cream. Almost empty, but we do have 2 teaspoons of that. What else? 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Excuse me, Dad.
No, I'll just wait until you're done.
So we're not getting that right now. I see it in the back, but and almond extract. We're not doing that. Just skipping that one. Just vanilla. Almond extract can just.
Oh, do you want the vanilla?
Yeah. Almond extract just makes it sweeter. If you don't want it sweet, you don't use that.
It's over there. Behind that. Thank you, Dad.
So we got our vanilla extract. I kind of said extract wrong. Vanilla, pure vanilla. So we got all our ingredients: sour cream, powdered sugar, the apple pie thing, our pie crust, and our vanilla extract. So that's good. We got everything. Hold up, I gotta charge our camera.